Hi friends, today let us start with the Science 1. This year I will teach you Science 1 also, Science 2 also and Maths 1 also. Before starting to learn from the portion, let us see what all changes has been done by government in your portion. Some part of your syllabus has been deducted from your portion so that in this academics you can have very less amount of the portion to study. That will make easy for you for the exam. Although this portion has been deducted from your syllabus, you have to study at home, because those who are preparing for the competitive exam, this portion will be there in the competitive exam. So there is a lot of confusion between the students that which portion is being deducted, what amount is deducted, and only government has declared 25%. But they have given the details line to line. You just pay attention, take out the textbook of the Science 1 and we will see what all portion has been deducted. Take out textbook and page number 1. On page number 1, I have marked with a marker, that is our yellow color. See, use of ICT, collect videos and PPTs about the gravitational force of different planets. Mark this as bit deducted. Take out page number 2. On this, you will see the introduction to scientist. Whole block has been deducted. Below that, there is try this. Try this. Whole matter has been deducted from the portion. Now take out page number 4. On page number 4 also, an introduction to a scientist is given. Whole block is deducted from the portion. Take out page number 5. On page number 5, uniform circular motion, that is magnitude of centripetal force from there up till the square law of gravitation. You have to cut up till that. The remaining portion is there. Below that, use your brain power. It has been deducted. Take out page number 6. On page number 6, use your brain power. Assuming the acceleration in example 2 above remains constant, how long will Mahendra take to move 1 centimeter towards Virat? Cut this. Below that, do you know, the block is given, deduct whole block. Take out page number 7. On page number 7, one activity type question is there at the top of the page. Collect information about high and low tides from geography book. Observe the timing of high and low tides at one place. When you go for a picnic to be a beach, take pictures and hold an exhibition. This you have to do from your geography textbook. It has been deducted from the science. Take out page number 8. There are no changes on page number 8. Take out page number 9. On page number 9, one sentence. This is the 18th line from above. Mass and weight is given. In below that, mass is the amount of matter present in the object, that is deducted. And below that, at the bottom of the page, one block is given. That whole block has been deducted from your portion. Take out page number 10. On page number 10, do you know, below or the bottom of the page, whole bracket has been deducted. Similarly, on page number 11 also, do you know is there, whole block has been deducted from the portion. Take out page number 14. There is no change on 12 and 13. Take out page number 14. On the page, do you know weightlessness in space, whole block is deducted from your portion. This is the change that has been done by the government. The deducted portion you have to read at home and study self. Thank you.